We had this big pattern I showed, a falling trend line, the break, the retest, and a candle reversal, quite textbook stuff. You got the piercing line, almost bullish engulfing. You had from the close of that white candle to the halfway mark, that was the entry zone. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 31 July 2024. Today I will be trading long on the yen, the Swiss and the US dollar, and short on the CAD, the Aussie and the New Zealand. Let's start with the dollar index, finding resistance at this small level here, which I doubted a little bit. I thought it's going to shoot through to the moving average, but it didn't. Right, finding support now, well, finding resistance, now finding support at the moving average here again. You can see the moving average was resistance, break, and now it becomes support. So this could only be the support level pushing it now through to that moving average. So we're between a rock and a hard place. If you want to know it or not, it's summer holidays in the northern hemisphere, plus dollar index not in a great space, no clear trend on this. Intraday, I'll still stay bullish on the dollar. The strength is there. We're right at support here on the long-term moving average. So I think the correct thing to still stay with is a dollar long on your intraday trades. Gold, our trade's looking good. We took the long here, and now we are quite well in the money already. We are roughly about $30 to $40 on the price into the money. Depends on what your position size was. So it's looking good. I have set targets on the previous videos, so you're welcome to go and watch those. Nothing new that I can pick up here that I will do. Moving on to Bitcoin under pressure. Although XRP Ripple is breaking that big pattern I showed you, it looks like something is going to happen there. But when it gets to XRP, one never knows. Pressure on the rest of the crypto markets. XRP holding very well. That's why it draws my attention. And now, Bitcoin's still holding here. It's not dropping through, but it doesn't look that great. But if it can hold and it then breaks, it's the test. We can expect people that bought here, traders that bought here, will take profits up there on the sideways range. So that's a natural retracement, as long as we don't go in too deep. The 66 is still the level. 63 below that would get us say, all right, you know what, I don't have high hopes anymore for the break. But as long as we can stay above the 66, it may be a strong reversal from here, I would be fine. Even if we test this and it's long lower shadow or something like we had here, it shows there is support. There is support between 66 and 63, and I like that. But I need a breakout before I will add to this on a long-term view. But let's hope for the best there. FTSE, we had this big pattern I showed, a falling trend line, the break, the retest, and a candle reversal, quite textbook stuff. You got the piercing line, almost bullish engulfing. You had from the close of that white candle to the halfway mark, that was the entry zone. So looking good. Target-wise, just move that. Target-wise, we have to look at that swing from that high to this low, and then we can look at targets 1.27, 1.618. So let's just see what happened in the past there. Not real big things happening. You are welcome to push maybe for that high there, the 1.618 FIP. I think that's an all-time high. That's an all-time high. So nothing wrong exiting a little bit at that 1.27 or then that all-time high there. That's the first target levels, and then the final target definitely 1.618 Fibonacci. So let's see what happens there. Looking good at this stage. If you're really nervous on this trade, you feel the emotions, nothing wrong trailing the stop loss to that low. But other than that, I would not trail yet. Once it gets up there, I'll look for closer stops. But at this stage, we're looking good and we're loving the ride. Let's see. Pound still neutral. On the weaker side, neutral. That should be stock market bullish. So let's hope for the best. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. US CAD, I gave this one to you also yesterday. We got the flat top triangle. It was two closes below, but a very strong, nice white candle there. I took the trade. My mentoring program also took the trade. We're suffering a bit. But target on this one, I went to the daily charts there, and I saw the last nice directional swing was there, and I used the 1.27. That gives us about an 80 pip target for roughly a 40 pip stop loss. Right, so that's what I did there. And you set your targets there. You'll see your stop loss there was roughly 30 to 40. That takes you up to about 80 pips target. So that would be a great one. But for now, we need to first survive this little retracement. Looking good now. We are there. We're looking okay. But still, stop loss 10 pips or so below that low there. Let's hope there for the best. S&P 500 still looking for the shorts on a strong dollar, bearish trend. Still looking at the same level than yesterday. Strong counter reversal there. That'll get me to go short. New Zealand, US, retracing into the zone I showed you yesterday and tested both of them. A nice close below the halfway mark of this white candle, guys. If it closes like this, that'll be a short. New Zealand red zone, dollar green zone. I want to be short. This is what they call an evening star. And that evening star, if it closes like this or lower even, would be perfect for shorts. Aussie US retracement. Aussie trimmed CPI came in much lower than expected last night. Very good indication that inflation is falling, and that is a weakening sign for the Aussie, which is great for any interest rates. So a retracement back to the 50-61% right, the structure there. That's the area I look for shorts. Aussie bottom of the pile, and the dollar in the green zone there. So I want to be short here. Pound US triangle forming, just pound neutral, but the dollar, I'm looking for reasons for dollar longs, and shorting this would give me a dollar long, but I'm going to need a break, a nice decent close below, a reset and or a retest, and then a counter reversal. That's what I'm after there. And then we're looking at the CAD yen, CAD red zone, yen green zone, retracement back to 50-61% level, right at structure here, more specific this level. If I can get a decent test there, decent counter reversal, I'll then look for some shorts. Euro yen, similar scenario. Euro neutral after that, but after the yen long, it would be a cautious long for me. I am, I've made some money on the longs on the yen, but it is something I do cautiously. But the yen is holding out well. It's been up there for quite a while now. But we've seen this in the past, and then just suddenly drops within a day or two down there. The moment Bank of Japan stops supporting the currency, it just dropped to the bottom of the pile. But let's see. For now, I have to follow my indicators, my strategies. Structure 50-61%, counter reversal. I'll look for some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.